What letter is that?
I.
And what's that?
Hi. You.
So what's that say? I. Can you say it for Mommy? What's that? What letter is that, Reese? What letter is that? You want to do it one more time? I. What's it say?
I.
Look, what's that?
I.
What is it?
Hi. Two.
What letter is that?
You.
Say it again.
Sit.
All right, one more time. I'm going to draw it one more time. And you tell me out loud, what's that?
I. Heart. You.
Can you say that to the camera?
Kiss.
But what did Mommy say? I. What's this, Reese? What are you drawing on? What is that? I. What's that?
Heart.
What letter is that? You. I heart you.